So 0 is showing quick charge with the 30 watts from Anchor, and let's get it started. For some of you who will be saying, what about putting it on and charge it? So I did it test twice on similar conditions, and then I also have for those who are on, but being on I can only do from 1% to 100%. So this is me doing this test again from 1% while the phone is on. So let's go see what it is like. After 5 minutes, I will call the off phone charging offline, and it did 10% after 5 minutes. And then the one that is on, I will call it online charging. So that way we can differentiate. Also, the room temperature here is 30 degrees Celsius. So you can actually know how hot it is here. That's another contributing factor. This is the online charging after 5 minutes, just about 9%. Well, they are close. Let's move on to the next one. After about 10 minutes, I have 21% on the offline team here. That's kind of, showing promise for the offline team. How about the online team? Well, the online charging is just 15% after. I started wondering whether this thing is quick charging. It's not hot as it should be while it's quick charging. So I just gave up. I have to check also the temperatures to be able to know, compare with the iPhone I'm holding. This industrial thermometer is about 8 degrees Celsius, different from the one they use for the body. So let's move on. After 15 minutes, the offline team is giving us 30% with the Anchor 30 watts charger, and the charger is kind of warm, showing it's really charging quick. The online team is just disappointing. So 20% after 15 minutes, I have to touch the charger and then tell myself, oh, this thing is not quick charging. So this is also another thing that Samsung have not really put on their kernel and in their firmware to be able to quick charge while the device is on for other chargers, third-party devices. So yeah, Samsung, check that. And while we are recording at 49%, somehow my camera died off. I couldn't even find the replacement pack, so I had to use my iPhone to continue. At 30%, the offline team was giving us 57. So yeah, 57%. How about the online team? The online team is giving us what? The online team is giving us, come on, 35% after 30 minutes. Well, quick charge now seems it only works with Samsung chargers when it's on. So at 45 minutes, thereabouts, it gave us 82% for the Anchor charger offline. And that's quite impressive with some other things that, other ones have done with 45, 25 watts on Samsung. But while it is on, it was producing something very poor. At the hour mark, we have about 95%. So this is just good for the Anchor 30 watt charger. The online guy, 70% after 1 hour. So forget about quick charge when you're using a third-party charger on the S24 Ultra. And to cap it up, it did get to 100% offline charging at an hour 12 minutes with 30 watt Anchor charger. And what about the online? Wow, that got to 100% at 1 hour 32 minutes. Whew. That's a long time. So I can compare it side by side. When the phone was on with the same charger, the same environment, the same thing, it was this result.